In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice in Xero. Voiding an invoice is useful when you've created an invoice by mistake, or when the details are so incorrect that it shouldn't be edited or paid. Instead of deleting it completely, Xero lets you void the invoice so it no longer affects your reports or customer balances, while still keeping a record for audit purposes. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top menu and click on the Sales option. This is where Xero keeps everything related to the money coming into your business, including quotes, invoices, and customer details. Once you're in the Sales section, find and click on Invoices. This will bring you to a list of all your sales invoices in different statuses. You might see tabs like Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Paid. To void an invoice that has already been approved but not yet fully paid, you'll want to go to the Awaiting Payment tab. Click on Awaiting Payment, and Xero will filter the list to only show invoices that have been sent and are still outstanding. Next, from the list of invoices that are awaiting payment, select the specific invoice you want to void. Take a moment here to confirm you're choosing the correct one by checking details such as the customer, invoice number, date, and amount. Voiding the wrong invoice can cause confusion in your accounts, so this quick double check is important. After you click into the invoice, you'll see the Invoice Details page. On this screen, look for the three dots menu, usually located near the top right area of the invoice. This is often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to reveal additional actions you can take for this invoice. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose the Void option. Xero may ask you to confirm this action because voiding an invoice can't be undone once it's completed. Review the details one last time, and if everything looks correct, go ahead and click Void again to confirm. Once you've done that, the invoice status will change to voided. It will no longer be included in your accounts, receivable balance, or customer statements, but it will stay in your records marked as voided, so you keep a clear audit trail. That's all you need to do to successfully void an invoice in Xero.